Yo, what is going on YouTube? Welcome back to another video. So I know I told y'all that I've been waiting on parts to come in. Well, 3 parts packages came in. I'm gonna go ahead and open those. I actually opened up one already. Wasn't really anything crazy. This is something for the daily, and this is something that's common on the 4 doors. The new door handles for the rear, they always break. So I ended up picking up a new set for the rears. So in a later video, we'll put those on and do a couple more things at the same time on that gold car, because we got to address a few things on that car. Obviously, you see these are black. The car's not black. So we got to do a couple things to the door handles. And there's a few more things on the car itself that I wanted to do in that video when we do the video on that. But right now, let's open some packages. So right here we got 2 of the packages that we're waiting on. This one I ordered once, came in, it was the wrong color, so I had to send it back, and the new one just came in. And this is something that we need as well. Like I said, these are nothing crazy, nothing, but definitely something that we need and that will help us for sure with this car. So get you out of there. Really? Two packages? Ain't nothing special, guys. So, but it's, like I said, something that will help us with the car build to get it to where we need it. Let's see if we can open this one-handed. These are the cheapest ones I could find, so roast me in the comments if you want. And these are the push button quick releases, but we're not using these for the bumpers. These are actually going to be for the trunk. And then this right here. So this here, guys, I'm not too much of a fan of these, but like I said, we're building a race car, and little things like this actually have a purpose. So, yep, here we go. That's what they are. So we're going to be doing the bumper cut and installing this. I don't like doing bumper cuts, but the drag from the wind hitting the bottom of the bumper does slow you down. But I'm not going aggressive with the cut, so I'll be cutting the bumper, and we'll be installing these here. Like I said, I did order a set, but the ones that came in were red, and I didn't order reds. No hardware? Okay, I hear something else in there. There we go. Yeah, boy. So when we do this video, we'll be doing the bumper cut, getting this installed, or cut out, you know, all the stuff that we need to for this, and that rear bumper and primer. That's why I said I haven't primed the bumper yet, because I was waiting for these. Alright, so before we can even put the latches on, I was thinking of putting them like over here in these corners, you know, so the truck will be up flush, like on every side, you know. Now that we put new quarter paint on a few years back, I know y'all probably seen that video. If not, check it out. We cut the whole section of this car out, but put them right here, you know. So, but before we do that, we got one thing to do. Y'all can see down here. Let's see if the camera focus on it. There you go. From when we cut the car, there's still a bunch of material left, all the way across. So go ahead and get this cut out, then we'll be able to get to this part right in here, which will be onto this area here. All right, guys, and to do this, there's 2 options. If you got like grinder with a cutoff wheel or something, you can go ahead and cut it off to get rid of it, or you can use a spot weld cutter on a drill. So this is the method I'm going to use, just because it's a little early in the morning and the grinder is going to make a lot of noise. I ain't trying to piss nobody off. So we're going to go ahead and use this, drill out spot welds, and get these pieces out the way. I got spot welds drilled out. So what I'm gonna do is go ahead and start prying it out the way. Alright guys, now that that's all cut out, I can access down here. I want to put them in this area right here. What I'm going to do is drill the holes and connect these. It's got the clip on it, or the lock for it. Those are 2 washers and 2 nuts. What I'm going to go ahead and do is drill a hole where I want it, put these in, and we'll mark up here, set the trunk on it, and that will leave us the mark where we're going to drill out on the trunk. We'll take one of the nuts, screw it all the way in. Alright. Put a washer on, drop it down. Obviously I got to adjust it higher, so probably be almost at the highest setting. Drop that in like that. And washer on the bottom. And then your nut. Like so. And then you have your clip. And this part will just push down. It's locked. Hit the button and it's off. So let's go ahead and drill the other side out as well. So they're both on. I'm gonna go ahead and set it up pretty much almost on the highest setting just to start off with, just so I can get a good marking on everything, and then we can adjust the level later. So what I'm gonna do is just tighten it up, take a Sharpie, alright, we're gonna make a mark with the Sharpie, and then we'll set the trunk down on it. And you kind of see right there where I kind of left a mark. So we'll do a pilot hole first on both sides, and then we'll see if the whole trunk sits down. So the trunk sits in it, but obviously the hole's got to be opened up some more. So let's go ahead and make a bigger hole. Guys, I thought this was recording the whole time, but I ended up cutting the bottom piece out of here. So when we put that in, I can lock the nut. I'm starting to cut this side now. I'm gonna cut this one out as well. Then we'll go ahead and set the trunk down, tighten it up, and see how she fits. Now we just gotta adjust the height, but trunk on. There we go, guys. Sheesh. One more thing. All right, y'all. Look at that. Trunk is on. It ain't coming off. Sheesh. Then when we want to remove it, hit a button, put it back on, push it down. Literally, that's it. I'm excited for that. Told you it has some stuff in the works, guys. I know it's little things, but these little things is a big deal at the track because we don't need this flying open on us, you know? I can go ahead and do Lex on here shortly. Next, we got to do the bumper stuff, like I was saying, for the bumper, I was thinking of just where it's got this line right here, you know, where the bumper flares, cut it just right there, you know. So we'll get rid of all this, then we'll put those pieces right in here. I should have ordered a set for the damn bumper too, so I might order another set of them just so I have them on the bumper too. But let me know what y'all think in the comments. It's all done. But with that being said, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and end this video here, get it all edited up and everything ready for it to be posted for you guys. Hope you guys enjoy the content and slowly making moves. So if y'all enjoyed this video, be sure to smash that thumbs up button. If you're not yet subscribed, please subscribe to the channel. It helps us tremendously. But I'm tired and I'm thirsty and I got some editing to do. So that's gonna be it for this one, guys. Peace out and God bless.